Welcome back to Procurement Insights with Poonam. Today's masterclass is actually based on a viewer request. Someone asked me to explain the source to pay process end to end, and I thought it was a perfect topic to walk through in detail. Source to pay, or S2P, is one of the most talked about but least clearly understood processes in procurement. Many people know bits and pieces like sourcing, buying, invoicing, but very few understand how it all connects end to end in a real enterprise setup. In this session, we'll cover the full S2P lifecycle, how it works in real organizations, and where AI and technology are changing the process today. Whether you are a practitioner, a procurement leader, or someone upskilling in supply chain, this masterclass will give you practical insight and a clear framework to understand S2P. Source to pay, or S2P, is the complete procurement lifecycle from identifying what a company needs to paying the supplier and analyzing the spend. Let's quickly walk through the stages. First one is sourcing. Identify suppliers, send RFQs and evaluate proposals. The next one is supplier selection. Choose the best fit considering cost, quality and risk. Then comes contracting. Finalize terms, negotiate and sign agreements. Then procurement or PO management. Raise purchase orders and track delivery. Payment, invoice validation, approval and payment. Last but not the least, analysis or reporting. Review spend, supplier performance, and savings opportunities. Many people think procurement is just buying. But S2P is a structured workflow connecting strategy, compliance, and value delivery. Let's take a real enterprise example to understand how this works. Imagine a manufacturing company needs a new maintenance services contract for one of its plants. The business or plant operations team identifies the requirement, scope of work, expected duration, and urgency. They raise the demand in the system along with technical and service requirements. Procurement or the category management team then takes over. They check whether there is an existing contract. If not, they run a sourcing event, identify suppliers, issue RFQs, evaluate commercial and technical responses. Once a supplier is selected, procurement finalizes the contract and pricing structure. Then finance validates budget availability, accounting treatment, and approval authority. They ensure the spend is compliant before any purchase order is released. The selected supplier receives the purchase order, delivers the service, and submits invoices as per the contract terms. That comes back to finance and procurement. Invoices are matched, approved, and paid. Procurement then reviews supplier performance and spend data for future sourcing decisions. In mature organization, what makes this work well is not just the system. It's clear ownership across teams, clean master data, and well-defined handoffs between business, procurement, finance, and suppliers. Where source to pay breakdowns, it's usually because of manual workarounds, unclear roles, or poor decisions made earlier in the process. Today, technology, especially AI, is transforming parts of S2P process. We see automation speeding up approvals, analytics improving visibility, and integrated systems connecting procurement and finance. AI can help with predictive insights, supplier risk signals, and compliance monitoring, but only when the fundamentals are strong. At the same time, I see some very common mistakes in organizations. Manual approvals causing delays, poor supplier master data leading to wrong orders, contract non-compliance resulting in missed savings. Technology cannot fix broken processes. It only amplifies them. AI in source to pay is a vast topic. What you are seeing here is just the surface. Each of these areas, automation, analytics, compliance, deserves its own deep dive, which we will cover separately. To summarize, source to pay is not just a procurement process, it's a business operating model. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment with your questions or topic requests. And don't forget to subscribe for more procurement masterclasses. We'll dive deeper into AI, automation, and other S2P areas in future sessions. Stay tuned.